Good morning, students. Today, our class is Social Science, and we will study a new chapter, Unit number 5, India, Agriculture, Industry, and Transportation. It is a huge chapter, and I will make it in short form that you can understand easily whenever you read your textbook. Let's start. India is an agriculture country. About 70% of the people are engaged in agricultural activities. India is guiding the developing nations of the world in industrial technology. There are four farming methods in India. The agriculture, which is dependent on monsoon, is called normal or unirrigated agriculture. During monsoon, where the water is collected in low areas, farming is done. After that, the land gets dry. It is called dry farming. The land where the farming is done through irrigation of wells, lakes, canal, etc. are called irrigation farming. Generally, the gardens are used to grow the crops which give long-term production. This type of farming is called plantation. In India, bajri is grown in the states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, etc. In India, Rajasthan is the leading state of bajri. In India, jawar is grown in the states like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, etc. In India, corn is used as grain and as food for animal. In India, corn is grown in Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, etc. In India, groundnut is grown in Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, etc. In India, Gujarat is a leading state of groundnut. In India, sugarcane is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Gujarat, etc. India is a leading producer of sugarcane in the world. In India, cotton is grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Haryana, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, etc. It is mainly grown in Gujarat. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal. Moreover, it is grown in Assam, Bihar, Odisha, and Uttar Pradesh. In India, wheat is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, etc. Bhal region of Gujarat is known for its wheat of Bhal. In India, paddy means rice is grown in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat, etc. Plantation includes tea, coffee, fruits, flowers, coconut trees, etc. In India, tea is grown in Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, etc. In India, Assam is the leading state in the production of tea. In India, coffee is grown in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Industries are classified into three types on the basis of investment, number of employees, and quality or quantity of production. When people make things at home without machinery or slight use of machinery in which the investment is very low is called cottage industry. Incense sticks, papad, furniture, pickles, khakra, etc. are cottage industries. The industry which consists of a factory, some machinery, some workers, and with which investment is more than cottage industry is known as small scale industry. Cloths, handmade paper, furniture, toys, vessels, electronic devices, etc. are the production of small scale industry. The industry, which consists of big factory, big machinery, large number of workers, work and required heavy investment is called heavy industry. Iron and steel, cement to make motor car, aeroplane, ship, etc. are heavy industries. In India, cotton industries have developed in cities like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Coimbatore, Chennai, etc. Cotton is required to make cotton cloth. Cotton cloth industry is developed where plenty of cotton is grown. In India, woolen industries has developed mainly in Punjab and Haryana. Amritsar, Ludhiana, Dhariwal, Chandigarh are the main centers of woolen cloths. Moreover, this industry has also developed in Kanpur, Solapur, Bengaluru, Jamnagar, Baroda, and Ahmedabad. Sugarcane crop is required to make sugar. In India, industries has developed in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. Limestone is required in cement industry. In India, cement industry has developed in states like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. In India, the paper mills are situated in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, etc. The small nails or huge machinery and their spare parts are made from iron and steel. Jute cloth, guni bag, jute bags, ropes, etc. are made from the string of jute. Jute industries are mainly close to Titagarh, Howrah, Shialda, and Kolkata in West Bengal. In refineries, petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin, naphtha, lubricating oil, fuel oil, etc., are got from the mineral oil. The components separated from the mineral oil are called petrochemicals. Refineries purifying mineral oil are located in the cities like Koeli, Baroda, Jamnagar, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, Kochi, Chennai, Digboy, Barauni, Haldia, Gorakhpur, Durgapur, etc. Chemical fertilizer. The centers of chemical fertilizer are Sindri, Mumbai, Gorakhpur, Durgapur, Talcher, Haldia, Kalol, Kandala, Hajira, Bharuch, Falpur, Anvala in Uttar Pradesh. There are five ways of transportation in India: roadways, railways, airways, waterways, and ropeways. There are four types of roadways: village road, district road, state highway, and national highway. Village road. The road which connects the village with the main roads which pass by the village, it is called village road. It is also called approach road. District road, the road which connects the main center with main village, taluka center or cities of district is called district road. State highway, the road which connects the capital with district headquarter and important cities is called state highway. National highway, the road which connects the main cities, ports, administrative headquarters of the country, etc., is called national highway. National highway number 7 is the longest highway in India which extends from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. National highway number 35 is the shortest highway which connects Kolkata to Bongaon, the city near the border of Bangladesh. There are metro trains in Delhi and Kolkata in India. The rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra are useful for internal waterways because they are large and perennial rivers. Airways are used in order to reach from one place to another in short span of time. The international airports are located in Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram, Panaji means Goa, Bengaluru, Kochi, Hyderabad, Amritsar, etc. Ropeway. In the mountainous region where roads or railways cannot be constructed, ropeways are constructed. In Gujarat, ropeways are constructed in Pavagadh, Saputara, Ambaji. In Bihar, it is constructed in Rajgiri, or Rajgir and in many places of the Himalayas. So this agriculture, India agriculture industry and transportation part chapter is completed. Hope you will understand whenever you read your textbook. Okay, see you. Bye.